Okay, now move towards the another type of covalent bond, that is double covalent bond. As its name suggests, that double covalent bond is a type of bond that is formed by sharing of two electron pairs. It means total 4 electrons. You can say 2 electron pairs, or you can also say 4 electrons. Double covalent bond is formed by sharing of 2 electron pairs. For example, the bond formation in O2, oxygen, O2. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. But in covalent bond formation, we have to draw just the valence shell. 2 electrons will go in first shell. We are not going to draw it. So 6 electrons will go in its valence shell. Valence shell is the one that is the outermost shell in the atom. One oxygen, another oxygen atom. Same goes for this oxygen atom. 6 electrons will go. As you are saying that this oxygen atom needs how much electron? This oxygen atom needs 2 electrons in order to complete its octet. So it will share 2 electrons. This oxygen atom also needs 2 electrons, so it will also share 2 electrons. Now what would happen? 2 electrons of this oxygen atom. Now the remaining ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same, 2 oxygen, 2 electrons of this oxygen atom, and the remaining ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, that are not being shared. This is double covalent bond because it is formed by sharing of 2 electron pairs. Yeah, you can say total 4 electrons. Double covalent bond is shown by double bond. Okay, lone pairs. How many lone pairs are there in case of one oxygen atom? 1, 2. These are the lone pairs that are not involved in bonding. Same, these are also the lone pairs. Okay, another type of bond, that is the last one, triple covalent bond. Triple covalent bond. Triple covalent bond is a type of bond that is formed by sharing of 3 electron pairs. For example, bond formation in N2. N2. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7. 2 electrons will go in first shell. We are not going to draw the first shell. We are supposed to draw only the valence shell. So 5 electrons will go in the valence shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same goes for another nitrogen atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now this nitrogen atom requires 3 electrons in order to complete its valence shell. So it will share 3 electrons. This nitrogen atom also needs 3 electrons. So it will also share 3 electrons. Now what would happen during bond formation? 1, 2, 3. 3 electrons of this atom. These 2 electrons are not being shared. So we have to write here. Same for this nitrogen atom. 3 electrons and 2 electrons are not being shared. Now check whether they are stable or not, whether they follow octet rule or not. For this nitrogen atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it is stable. For this nitrogen atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both are stable, both are following the octet rule, and we are going to draw triple covalent bond. The lone pairs left on one nitrogen atom is 1 lone pair, and the lone pair left on another nitrogen atom is also 1 lone pair. Tomorrow we will discuss another more examples of covalent bond. This is all for today's lecture.